How to refund on Shopify. So here from the left hand side, we will go to orders and you want to select the order that you want to refund the customer. So right here, I'm just going to choose on this order and it's going to look like this. From the top right corner, you should see a button to refund. Once we select it, then right here, it will tell us that refunded items can't be returned, and we can just type out a reason for the refund. So customer not responsive is what I'm going to type out. And then right here, you can choose the amount which you would like to refund, and it will show us the maximum amount that we can refund. So $20, for example. If we don't want to give them any refund, then we can leave this at 0. And then we will have this option, this option will become clickable, and we can just choose refund and the dollar amount, and this will have successfully refunded it. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.